Okay, are you ready? Okay, papakilala ko ng ating isa sa aking favorite speaker for this year. Talaga naman. Okay, Miss Jenny Poranda is a versatile remote professional and dedicated, tama ba ako na binabasa? Ma'am, ano ako
Go, go, go. Wala namang ano.
ayan, sige. Ma'am Jenny Poranda is the owners of Ledon's Garden, a garden restaurant and event space in Silang, Cavite, that provides memorable experience that combine nature and gastronomy. She's also the head of marketing of business operation at Remote Classroom, Australia, managed 30 plus online educator, Remote Classroom Australia, offers an interactive online courses for young learners in Australia, Philippines, Singapore, US, and beyond. And the CEO of Lidon Academy, which provides courses, personal development, company personal branding, digital marketing, sales funnel, and integrating AI in business and marketing process. So marami-rami pa siyang nakalagay dito, but siguro I'll start, ma'am. Pwede tayong magkwentuhan paano tayo nagkakilala muna.
Ah, pwede naman.
Yan. So, sige, konting chika lang paano kami nagkakilala. Alam niyo naman si Miss Yan yan, pakalat-kalat. Yan. Isa po ako sa mahilig umaten ng mga networking event sa Cavite. Naimbitahan ako ni Tita Maya. And then, from then on, umaaten ako ng Cavite Connected Woman. Sino dito taga Cavite? Connected Woman. So, after ako mag-guest sa Imus, umaten ako sa Tagaytay. Tama, ma'am?
Yeah, Tagaytay.
Kinakara. And then, si ma'am yung speaker. Tapos nagpatawag. Ako naman si Bibo Baby lagi, di ba? Si Pabibo. Si Pabida. Nilagtaas ako ata ng hands, ma'am, if I remember. And then, shinare ko yung, syempre, profile and yung pinaka-vision ko kung bakit ko to ginagawa. And we come up, we have the same denominator, which is, you know naman na I have an autism son, 13 years old. And we found out this Ma'am Jenny is also a son with autism. But, ma'am, kayo na magkwento ng
Yeah,
story, ma'am, before we proceed for the
yeah.
topic.
Ethan is actually, I gave birth to Ethan sa New Zealand. He's now 21. High functional autism. He was diagnosed at the age of 1 year and 8 months. So, pag sa New Zealand kasi, madali na nila ma-detect. So I'm so grateful na doon na-detect si Ethan na meron siyang disability, and then nag-ano na kami, nag-intervention na kami very young age, 1 year and 8 months. Meron siyang sarili niyang teacher. Tapos ano siya, okay naman yung yung support ng government. We came back here 2009 kasi nung nabuntis ako, or noong ano na yon, when we got our citizenship na sa New Zealand, we decided to come back here in the Philippines in 2009. And then dito ko na pinanganak yung second child ko, si Cade. And then, yeah, the rest is history. 2010 ako nag-start mag-freelancing. So tama siyan, medyo lola na ako when it comes to freelancing. But, kahit medyo matagal-tagal na, I still feel na parang bago pa rin ang freelancing. And I keep on reinventing myself just to make sure na maging relevant ako sa industry. And siguro yun ang pwede ko ma-share sa inyo on kung paano kayo tatatag na isang maging freelancer or remote professional, and how you gonna sustain this kind of business, all right? And how you gonna sustain having a good relationship with your client. So siguro yun ang isa ko sa pwede ring maibigay sa inyo later when we discuss about generative AI. All right. So Sian, she's a very good friend of mine. I consider her as my little sister. Isa rin siya sa isa kong favorite na coach. Ako medyo low profile lang ako. Actually, ayoko tinatawag talaga na coach. Mas more on, siguro teacher yon. Ang ano lang, low key lang. I provide um, yung mga uh, content for that can help the community sa freelancing, or how they can upgrade yung kanilang skill sets and maging relevant pa rin sa industry na to. So yun. And yun nga yung common denominator namin niyan. Meron kaming anak na may special needs. it really drives us to work really hard kasi we cannot afford na maging tamad. Ayun, kasi meron kaming anak na medyo demanding yung need. So isa rin yun sa naging ano namin, parang motivation namin yan to keep on going and to serve many people, to help many people. Kasi as many people na natutulungan natin, money follows. So ako, I know yan, we have same when it comes to that kind of philosophy na we help many people para at least we sustain our business, okay? And it can help the community grow as well. Ayan. So yun lang naman.
Ayan. So, FYI again, 102,000 yung group niya. You can follow later and propose ko yung community. Filipino freelancer with Australian clients.
Yeah.
So, if your Australian clients ang tina-target nyo, and punta kayo sa group, ang daming, pareho kami umaga pa lang ingay na namin ni Miss
Ang ingay na sa
Jen sa
group. Yeah.
FB, nagsishare na kami ng mga tips. So, again, I'm so thankful na pinagtagpo kami ng tadhana. So, may rason kasi we have a bigger plans for those kids. So, tama si ma'am, hindi kami pwede. So, pag tinatanong niyo kami bakit hindi kami napapagod, so alam niyo na kung bakit hindi kami mapapagod. At kasi marami pa tayong tutulungan, saka yung batang kagaya nila, kailangan natin matuloy yung support sa kanila. We create awareness. Ma-promote ko na lang din by December 7, meron kaming CSR para sa mga bata. So, 200 bata ang tutulungan sana namin. And I hope as early as now, if I can get your support, you're not helping me, you're helping those kids with special needs. Okay, so again, without further ado, Miss Jennifer Randa, take it away.
Yes, thank you so much, Coach Yan. All right. Before I start, siguro, can you comment what really motivates you? Or what makes you happy? Kasi isa yun sa motivation mo para magtrabaho, di ba? So, and to keep on going with this, what we call life. So, what really motivates you? Can you comment below kung ano po yung inyong motivation right now? Walang motivation? Family, okay. Pera-pera, okay. Family rin. Ano pa mga motivations natin dyan? The reason why we are working or inspired tayong gumising sa umaga.
Isaac Newton.
Yes, okay. That's good. So sarili, okay. Future. What else? Habang hinahanap ko yung aking module. Okay. Ano ba nagpapagising sa atin sa umaga? Pwera sa kape, na gusto natin magkape. Ako, I love, drinking coffee sa umaga para recharge ako. Alright. So yeah, napakilala na ako ng bonggang-bongga kanina ni Yan. Okay, ito yung pinrepair ko. Actually, ito, naging talk ko rin kanina. I had a webinar at 9 o'clock. So sabi ko, oh, ito na pala. Meron akong second talk. So ito yon. So I'm Jennifer Ronda, freelancer for roughly 15 years, head of marketing and business operations at Remote Classroom Australia and Philippines. But I also have several companies as well that I manage. So I have my own academy, Ledon Academy. I have my restaurant and event place, which is Ledon Academy. Sa Silang naman yun. And I have my own agency, which is Genex. All right. So it's more of, I help businesses and personal brands to align their marketing strategies, business processes in digital space or digital world. So para ina-apply ko lang yung kung ano yung processes ko ngayon sa mga students kong mga business owners and freelancers. All right. Give me a thumbs up kung sino na nakakarinig about generative. Comment generative kung narinig nyo na to or bago sa inyo. Sino na dito yung nakarinig na ng generative? So comment generative ko na or AI na lang para mas mabilis. AI kung narinig mo na tong word na to or not yet kung hindi mo pa talaga to nakikilala. Comment AI kung may idea na kayo. Kung wala pa naman, okay lang, not yet or not yet. Okay. So marami na rin naman nakakakilala kay generative or AI. Pero marami rin wala pang ka-idea. Okay, before I start my my lecture or this training, while I'm do the talk, as we speak right now, can you go to can you register or sign up sa what we need ay ChatGPT? All right, can you register right now ChatGPT kung wala pa kayo? Bing.com kung wala pa, and also Canva kung wala pa. So can you register or sign up sa mga applications na sinabi ko ngayon? Ita-type ko dito. You can register using your pwede rin Gemini, pwede rin Bing, and Canva. Yung ano lang naman yan, yung mga basic applications lang naman. All right, so I'm gonna be discussing about generative AI. What is ChatGPT, a little bit of background about ChatGPT, other applications like Bing, DALL-E, Midjourney, and Canva, ano yung mga functionalities nila, and how to amplify or apply this skill sets that you're gonna explore para magka-kliyente kayo. So, excited ba doon na magka-kliyente? Give me a thumbs up kung excited na magka-client. And 3 key points on shaping the future of workforce. So, paano kayo magiging relevant? I should say, relevant when it comes to freelancing. Okay. Sino dito yung meron ng client? Comment number 1 kung meron ka ng client ngayon, and comment number 2 kung wala ka pang client. All right. Comment 1 kung meron ka ng client, number 2 kung wala pang client. Okay, marami-rami pang walang client. So matinding programming or mindset or skill sets tayo i-work on. Okay? Sino ang matigas ang ulo dito? Comment 1 kung matigas ang ulo, 2 kung you love learning. Kung matigas ang ulo daw niyan. Number 2 kung you love learning. Okay. Both? Okay. So, yeah, balancing naman, which is great yung ating ano ngayon. Okay. So, yeah. The reason why I asked kung matigas ang ulo nyo, yes, matigas ang ulo. We can be stubborn sometimes, but if you are medyo mataas yung pagiging stubborn nyo, unfortunately, at mahihirapan kayong mag-aral. Kasi pag nag-aral ka, there's a lot of corrections. Okay, kahit sa team ko before sila pumasok sa team ko, matinding emotional management training yung dadaanan nila kasi hindi madali ang freelancing. Okay? So kung hindi handa, mindset, spiritual set, emotional, hindi handa, baka ma-frustrate kayo na why wala akong kliyente, or bakit hindi yung ba't ang dami kong rejections. So it will really hit you pagka ganon. Okay? Kaya ngayon pa lang doon sa mga nag-comment ng number 2 na you are still exploring or wala pa kayong client, matindi pang learning process ang inyo pang bubunuin. Okay? I-ready nyo yung sarili nyo kasi Yan and I will not sugarcoat na sabihin sa inyo na madali ang freelancing. It's not. Okay? Pero, may future ba? May future ba for you na mga aspiring freelancers na magkaroon ng client? Definitely. Pero, may pero pa rin, kung willing kang mag-aral, okay, if you're willing to learn and unlearn the things na hindi na suitable sa freelancing, okay? So what is generative AI? So generative AI or generative artificial intelligence is a transformative branch ng artificial intelligence. So isa siya sa branch ng artificial intelligence that focusing on data, content such as images, text, music, algorithm models, programming. Okay, and you can create arts, music,
Yes.
using AI. All right, and you can create images using DALL-E or Midjourney that you can actually explore. I-discuss ko yun later. And it can actually generate high value content extremely na ikaw as a newbie, you will be able to explore na agad kahit wala ka pang masyadong alam. Alright? If you want to learn about SEO or if you want to learn social media marketing, if you want to learn about lead generation, I think this is the best era for you. If you really want to learn this kind of skills, kasi andyan na yung AI. Okay, so yeah. What is GPT? Okay, GPT is Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Okay, para rin tong ano, pagka siguro na maiisip niyo yung Transformer si Arnold Schwarzenegger, no? So it will be, it's actually used like a human-like text that it can give you information that anything that you really want to know, basically. All right. So nakakatakot ba? Nung una, when we actually explored this application 1 year ago, nag-integrate kasi ako ng AI integration. I think that was early May and then transition na kami ng July. Pero ito, semi-launch na siya ng November 2022. Naririnig-rinig ko na siya. Pero 2023 na kami nag-integrate sa lahat ng processes namin nasa ano na, integrated na yung AI. I used to have 5 designers, 5 writers. Okay, tanungin niyo ako nasaan na sila ngayon. Where na po sila? O, paki-type. Where na po sila?
Nasa Mars?
Nasa Mars. Paki-type na. Nasa Mars. Where na po sila? Okay. Wala na sila. Unfortunately, especially kung ikaw ay pasaway, wala ka na talaga. Hindi na kita kayang pagtiyagaan. Okay. As a business owner and as a, and I manage companies, all right, I can easily, mas madali na for me to work with the machine rather than working with people na pasaway. Especially sa mga companies ngayon na they're integrating, majority of our clients are actually integrating AIs already. So, mas efficient when it comes to sa trabaho, yes, mas efficient. Hindi uma-absent ang AI. Always ready. Pag tinanong mo, andyan na agad. Minsan may sumpong, pero most of the time, walang PMS, most of the time, present. Okay? So kung ako ay isang business owner, I rather subscribe or mag-integrate ako ng mga AIs na to kaysa i-hire ko yung mga taong pasaway. Which is, mas ano yun, don't get me wrong. Kumbaga, sa perspective ng isang business owner, kasi mas ano kami in terms of cost and effectiveness, doon ako. Kaysa yung sasakit yung ulo ko na magbabayad ako or magpapasweldo ako pero hindi pa rin nagagawa yung output. Okay? I'm just being blunt. Ganun lang talaga. Ang nagiging ano ngayon, dynamics ngayon when it comes to business. Okay, these are the applications that you can explore actually. May mga free, okay? May mga free, meron din mga may bayad. Yung Bard, dati siyang Bard, ngayon Gemini na siya. Alright, and then ChatGPT, meron pa rin, yung 3.5, free pa naman yun. Pero kung i-upgrade mo, doon kayo sa 4.0. If you are actually looking for a research, okay, si Bing, which is now Copilot. Okay, Copilot na yung pangalan niya ngayon, hindi na siya Bing. And for web research, ayan, si Gemini can help you out, and also Bing. All right, you can use that applications para ma-explore. Ito yung paid and not sa paid, kung gusto mo mas advanced ChatGPT 4.0, meron din namang alternative na yan. So meron ng Gemini, which is also GPT-4 na rin ang Gemini. Copilot is also GPT-4. So bakit ano po ba yung difference? So pag GPT-4 kasi mas sophisticated na siya at saka mas accurate yung data na ibibigay sa'yo. With your project management, we use actually Notion. So meron pa rin namang free version yung Notion. So you can explore it. Integrated na rin siya sa AI. Meron na rin siyang AI integration, I mean. You can use Asana and Trello as well. Midjourney for images, pero itong Willow, meron din siyang free version. Ano pa ba? So sa design naman, Canva, meron pa rin naman free si Canva, pero you can explore Microsoft Designer. And for research, GPT, ChatGPT, or Copilot, or Bing. Okay? So ito yung pwede natin explore ng mga applications. For the images naman, we have Midjourney, Canva, Adobe Express, Photoshop. Pero ang Photoshop may bayad yan. Yung Adobe Express hindi na rin siya free. So meron na rin siyang bayad. So i-explore nyo lang. Meron naman free trial eh. Alright. Na para maano nyo, ma-navigate nyo lang or ma-try how it works. Okay. Can I ask a question? Adele, ano yung gusto mong i-create? Ano yung gusto mong i-create? Kasi GPTs are actually more on creating something.
Okay, can I have a lecture on how to maximize using ChatGPT?
Yes, definitely. So we can do that later. Yeah. Anyone here? Ellen, ano yung gusto mong ma-create? Do you want to create music, article, books? Ano yung gusto mong i-create?
Email copywriting.
Copywriting.
Yeah.
All right. So more on blog or
Yeah.
article or ebook. Ganon?
Yes, yes.
Jonelle, how about you? Anong gusto mo i-create?
Ano po ma'am? Content regarding sa LinkedIn.
Regarding what?
Bookkeeping po.
All right. Okay. Sino na dito ang may LinkedIn?
No.
Anyone here na merong LinkedIn na? Alam nyo ba na nandoon lahat ng sobrang high value content kung tatambay kayo sa LinkedIn? Napaka-grabe ang massive. And then you just, mag-sign up kayo or mag-join kayo ng mga groups na about AI. Andun na lahat. Grabe doon. Massive ang doon. Ang massive yung mga binibigay na high value content sa LinkedIn. Alright. So what we can create? Lahat pwede mo nang gawin basically. Okay. Pero, I consider AIs, it's a tool. Tama? It's a tool. For example, isa kang carpenter. Gagana ba yung martilyo kung walang karpentero, Marlon? Makakagawa ka ba ng isang lamesa na, for example, sasabihin mo lang sa martilyo, gumawa ka ng lamesa. Do you think yung martilyo gagawa ng lamesa on its own?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Okay. So, sinong kailangan ni AI para mag-function siya? Anyone here? Human. Okay, tama. Tayo, tao. Okay, kasi kumbaga yan, application, nandyan lang yan. Pero kung walang gagamit, nandyan lang talaga yan. Okay. So, kailangan na may gagamit. Kailangan ng karpintero. Dahil nga, ang AI ay tool. Tool lang siya para makagawa, para makakreate. Alright? in order, we can use AI to create music. We can actually use AI to create articles or books or anything that you want. I wrote a book for, 3 libro yung sinulat ko in just 5 days. Would you believe that? In just 5 days, nakagawa ako ng storytelling books. Okay, papakita ko mamaya yung libro na sinulat ko. Alright. So yung mga functionalities ng GPTs, GPTs are actually Excel. It's like a human language that it can comprehend you kahit ano pang lengguwahe mo. Okay? It can actually understand, naiintindihan niya kahit ano ng lengguwahe ngayon eh. Alright? Kung Spanish man yan, Chinese man yan, or Cebuano ka, may intindihan na yan ng GPTs kasi gano'n na siya ka-sophisticated ngayon. You can create content. It can utilize to generate creatives, informative writing. We can write articles and stories. Okay. Programming. Sinong programmers dito? Meron ba? Anyone here? Anyone here? Okay. So kung gusto mong ma-polish yung code, pwede kay GPT. You can actually command or ask the GPT to fix the errors ng mga programming codes mo. Alright? Ganun na siya ka-sophisticated. And any languages. Alright? Sino nang kumakausap dito sa mga GPTs nila? Anyone here that can talk to the GPTs? Comment 1 kung nakakausap mo na siya. Comment 2 kung hindi pa. Kung hindi pa, i-demonstrate ko. O, nakakausap na ang mga GPTs. Okay, so buti naman, naiintindihan naman kayo ng GPT nyo. Alright, the reason why I asked, bakit nyo kailangan kausapin ng GPTs nyo every day or every time na gagamitin nyo, para nalalaman din niya yung tone mo, yung characteristic mo as a user, para madali niya ma-execute yung gusto mong ipagawa. Alright? Kasi kung hindi mo siya gagamitin, ang mangyayari, yung learning niya, hindi niya matatagalan yung process kasi may learning process din ng GPTs eh. So kung ginagamit mo siya, for example, si Copilot, everyday mo siya ginagamit, and then sa kanya mo rin pinapa-edit yung mga content mo, mag-gauge niya na kung ano yung style mo sa pagsusulat. Alright? So importante na kinakausap ang mga GPTs natin. Alright, so si Bing or si Copilot, mas efficient siya or sophisticated siya sa search. So for example, kung meron kang source na Copilot, can you provide the source of this? For example, nagkakonduct ka ng marketing research about restaurants. Mas concise siya doon kasi nasa na kasi siya, GPT-4. So mas naiintindihan niya yung mga sources na naiutos mo sa kanya, that Copilot can actually give you the exact sources. Mas accurate siya. All right? And you can actually use it for images as well. Okay? It can create images and local search as well. Mga trends or mga tama siyan, yung mga kung ano yung mga news, updated news, yan. Pwede nyo itanong kay Bing or kay Copilot yan. Alright. And then, for images naman, DALL-E, powered by OpenAI, you can create images. Pwede make texture. Mamaya bibigyan ko kayo ng mga prompts para ma-practice to. And you can actually use this for visual storytelling. Diyan kami gumagawa ng character studies ng aking ka-team member. For example, meron kami isusulat na libro. Diyan kami gumagawa ng character research kung ano yung magandang character for the particular story. Okay, give me a thumbs up kung ready na. I don't wanna talk anymore. Na tayo? Go, sagot na tayo for the training. Give me a thumbs up kung ready na. Okay. Midjourney, isang ano lang, similar thing. You can create images using Midjourney. Mas sophisticated nga lang to, kaya lang may bayad. Okay? Go, go, go sa go. Comment, go, go, go sa go kung ano lang. Kung all goods na kayo. Okay? Go, go, go sa go. All right. So let's start. Okay, so how to amplify your creativity using AI? Ito yung mga tips ko, alright? Experiment with generative AI inputs and parameters to novel and innovation ideas. You can also have a collaborative work with AIs, enhancing your ideas. Kasi nga, ikaw yung carpenter, ikaw yung may idea kung anong lamesa ang gusto mong ipagawa or kung anong klaseng upuan yung gusto mong ipagawa. Okay? Kung ikaw ay isang karpintero. And it can also personalize your style. Alright? So meron din yan specific tone. Specific din yan kung ano talaga kung ano itutus mo sa kanya, yun ang gagawin niya. Alright? So kumbaga ikaw yung kanyang master. It's not the other way around. Use your AI as your servant. Ikaw ang master. Alright? Ita-type ko dito yung prompt. Okay, wait lang. O, go muna kayo dito. Wait, yan ako lang to. Exit lang. Lalagay ko sa comment natin. Wala, nawala. Okay. Okay, guys. Kanina, before we start, I asked you to go to bing.com. Mag-create tayo ng image. Alright? So, ano yung prompt na gagawin nyo? Use this prompt, okay? Create a captivating and festive image. Yan ang ika-copy-paste nyo doon sa generative. So, ika-copy-paste nyo lang siya. Bubukas lang ako ng wait lang. Canva. Para doon ko ilalagay yung mga work natin. Pag tapos na kayo mag-generate, comment done. Alright? Comment done kung tapos na kayo mag-generate. Tapos, ipipaste nyo yan or screenshot nyo, paste nyo sa Canva na ilalagay ko rin dito sa link. Comment done kung nakapag-generate na. Guys, kumbaga, i-maximize natin yung training para at least you learn as I coach you to do it. Para, wag kayong matakot na magpipindot. Kasi kung for example, makikinig lang kayo and you're not gonna do it, madali nyo yan makakalimutan. So I encourage you na explore yan. So comment done o siyan tapos na. Okay, so dito nyo siya ipipaste. Sa isang page, kasi nasa 80 something tayo, dalawang attendees per page na lang para tapos lagyan nyo na lang ng name nyo. Okay, so I want to see kung ano yung mga na-generate nyo na. Okay, guys, andyan yung link ng Canva. So, comment down muna para alam ko kung sino na yung tapos. And then, yung mga na-generate yung images, copy and paste doon dito sa sa Canva na binigay kong link. Lalagyan ng pangalan. Kung meron na kayo na-generate, lalagyan nyo ng pangalan. Okay. Doon so image nyo, tapos yung pangalan. So I assume na medyo lahat naman tayo ay may idea na about Canva, no? Pero kung hindi pa, another tutorial yun. So andito na si Mami. Si Mami ba yun? Okay, si Marlon Donad. Marlon, punta ka dun sa sa Canva. Paki-paste yung gawa mo. Okay, gawa ulit tayo ng isa pang generative. Medyo nabigla ba kayo? At meron palang tayo, ma-action na gagawin today.
It's box, like what?
Para kami naglalaro. Nasaan na ako? Para kami nag-ML dito. Gusto ko yung gawa ko.
Ganun.
Ayun sila. Oh. Yeah.
Okay, kaya nyo yan. But it's just gonna, parang sa training natin, mas magamay nyo, di ba? So, ito ay... I-second tayo ha? Second na i-generate. Okay. Alright. Meron akong second image, si SpongeBob. So yung mga tapos na, kindly generate SpongeBob. Yes, definitely kailangan merong account ni Bing. So using your email account, yan. Diyan kayo makaka-access ng Bing. Okay? So you need to have your email account para maka-register kay Bing. Lahat naman Canva and other application, kailangan ng email. Judith, if you're done, kindly paste your output. Ayan, marami ng output. O, sino tong Oh, okay. At parang may iba dito. Ba't ibang image nyo ata, guys? Tama ba yung na-generate nyo? Meron ako nakikita.
Pagkahala tayong gusto magbakasyon sa Palawan. Sino yan?
Oo nga
Gusto magbakasyon. Nakapag-ipin mo. Yan. Dapat si Dracula. Di ba si Dracula, di ba yun?
Yun si
Oh,
Dracula.
wow, si Randolph Abing. Oh.
Okay. So yan, naka-generate na. Okay, try nyo si SpongeBob para meron tayong ating isang output naman. I will just check the other. Isa kong guys, comment done SpongeBob or done what's the other one? Dracula para at least alam ko kung sino na yung mga nakatapos. Okay, while you're doing your activity, share ko lang din yung aking output, okay? So, para may idea kayo, gaano ba ka-sophisticated itong si Canva and gaano ka-sophisticated itong mga GPTs na ginagamit natin ngayon? Okay, yung mga Don, SpongeBob, and Dracula, paki-paste na lang doon sa ano, para merong remembrance yan na meron kayong ginawa today. Okay. Alright, i-share ko lang ito. Ito yung story. I wrote 3 stories, no? For Mother's Day. I wrote 3 stories for 5 days. Okay. So yung isa kong team member, si Richie Lynn, she's the one na nag-create ng illustration using Canva. I think the applications na ginamit niya dito, Canva. So nag-plotting, Canva rin yung ginamit niya for the characters, ganyan. Sa setting, Canva rin. Ang ginawa ko, ako yung nag-edit yung mga gumagalaw, animation, and sounds. Ako yung nag-plot. And ako rin yung nagsulat ng story. Okay? So dapat, before ng illustration, ng process, kailangan may storya muna. Okay? Alright. Parang natulala na sila yan. Natulala na ba kayo, guys? Parang, are you still, naandito pa ba kayo? Parang,
Kasama din ako sa natulera, parang feeling ko nasa kinder kami yung, okay, class?
nasa ano ba kayo? Nasa under the sea? Aha. Parang masyado ata
Nagsustuloy ako
silang
ng book ko
overwhelmed.
eh.
Oo.
Ang
And
cute.
excited pa ba? Gusto ko marinig kung excited ba. Baka parang ano lang, medyo na-overwhelmed ata. Adele, na-overwhelmed ka ba? Ha?
Busy sa pagdodrawing.
Di sa pagdodrawing, pero ano ba? Na-excite ba?
Yes, first time.
First time nakapag-drawing, no? Okay. Nawala ang connection. Okay. All right. So si Christine excited. Christine, ito mas excited. So for example, if you want to write a book, super easy lang. Okay. I will teach you a little bit of my process on how I do it. Okay, so for example, ito nga, I wrote this story about unchanging heart. Okay, may iyak ka dito sa story na to kasi ano nga, it's about my mom na ako yung pasaway. Yung mom ko yung super love ako na kahit pasaway ako, she still loves me. Okay? So ito yung naging context ng story. So paano ko siya sinulat? So paano natin siya isusulat? Simple lang. Okay. Dito na lang tayo kay Copilot sa Skype na lang para medyo mabilis. So for example, if I want to write a story, okay, so create, for example, ito lang, I'll give instruction sa GPT, create a story about Ellen, sinisang ano, Ellen and Adele. Okay. They are sisters. Okay. Ellen has a strong personality. Adele is, ay, nawala siya. Ay, nawala. Ba't nawala? Wait lang. Okay, so ano lang, a little bit of draft lang. So, ang character ko dito si Ellen and Adele, both sister, they're fighting about, something about AI. So, ito na yon. Ayan, ginawa ko na kayo na istorya. Ellen and Adele were sister, couldn't more difficult, blah, blah, blah. So, merong specific kung ilang characters lang yung gagamitin sa story. I need to be very specific with that. But I can be more specific kung talagang gusto kong in-depth yung story. Pero just for a demo lang, for this demo, yes, you can create your story in just 1 to 2 seconds. Okay. Adele, ayan, may storya ka na. Despite their differences, they shared passion for numbers and orders. Yeah. And Ellen's assessiveness helped them secure a client, blah, blah, blah. So, kumbaga, it's you know, you can create your own story. You can create your own ebook. You can create anything that you are really good at. And you can monetize it. This is the beauty of AI, that you can monetize it. Alright, meron akong yung friend ko yung nagturo, siya, kidney patient yung tinuruan niyang gumawa ng ebook. Kasi instead of, relying doon sa mga donations sa kanya, he create a book about his journey as a kidney patient. And then, naging successful. Binibenta niya yung ebook niya for 300 pesos. And nakakabenta siya ng ebook ng 3 to 5 ebooks a day. So do the math. Okay. So kumbaga, hindi na siya nagre-rely na humihingi siya ng donation. He can earn, through his ebook and just creating his books kung ano yung mga stories na pwede niyang i-share. And isa rin dun sa na-share namin ng same idea, ano naman siya, meron siyang, I'm not sure kung anong sakit yung, meron siya, yung similar nung sakit ni Chris Aquino. And then she wrote this story, lupus ata yun. She actually wrote a story, na-launch niya na last week lang. Okay, so kumbaga, this is quite new to you, and then ang ano lang is, it's up to you if you wanna use it. Kumbaga, yung tool, ayan, binibigay na lang namin sa inyo. But, as I've said, yung carpenter, kayo yun. Okay? Oo, ibebenta natin sa Amazon, Rudolph. Alam nyo ba yung ibang bestseller book sa Amazon ay actually AI generated? Karamihan ng mga e-books or karamihan ng mga books sa Amazon, yung writer, magkikreate lang siya, ikakopy lang niya yung tone ng writer, and then that's it. Another book, another bestseller. Ganun na yun. Okay? So, ayun, ma-share ko lang din yung yung book na ginawa namin para may idea kayo in the future if you wanna explore doing it. It's just a demonstration kung paano ka-sophisticated itong AI. Alright, so para meron din kayo idea, okay, ito pala yung mga functionality nito. Hindi lang pala yung sa paggawa ng sulat or paggawa ng blogs. You can write actually articles or you can use this creating a book or digital book, creating designs. Alright, so ako, pinlat ko lang yung, ako nag-write ng story, ibang nag-illustrate.
Mother's Unchanging Heart. Written by
Yung
Jennifer
voice
Ferranda.
over ay AI na rin.
It's by Rishlyn Taggett.
Sounds ako rin.
Harmony. A small town. There was a girl named Kelly. She was very good at many things. She could write songs, tell stories, sing, dance, swim fast, and was the smartest in her class. Kelly's mom was always there for her, proud of everything she did. But Kelly was tough on her mom and everyone else. She would get mad and say mean things to her mom and peers. Even so, her mom kept loving her. She fixed Kelly's clothes, made her food, and waited for her after school. One day, her mom got sick and couldn't make breakfast. Kelly got angry and left, not caring that her mom was ill. This made her mom very sad. The next day, Kelly woke up and couldn't move or talk. She tried to call her mom, but nothing happened. Her mom was out, not knowing Kelly needed help. When her mom came back and saw Kelly couldn't move or speak, she was scared. She cried and prayed loudly to God for Kelly to get better. And then, something amazing happened. After her mom prayed, Kelly started to move and speak again.
Alright. So ano na yun? Yun yung story na inano namin. Sinulat in just 5 days. Tatlo yan. Tatlong versions yan. And my point is, you can be Kelly. Alright? Ito, as you can see here, maraming skills na pwedeng na-develop. At ikaw, pwede mo rin ma-develop yun through the help of AI. At kung masipag ka talagang mag-aral, masipag kang mag-explore, you can easily, learn a lot of skills. Alright? Kaya lang as I've said, nasa inyo na yun. Kumbaga, we provide yung mga tools na pwede nyong magamit, pero kayo ang bahalang gumawa ng sarili nyong storya. You can write your own songs. You can sing and dance. So, kumbaga, you can explore this amazing application sa profession nyo, or you can actually do much better integrating AI sa processes natin. Alright? So, ang dami na pala natin yan. Nasa 90 na. Wow. Hello naman doon sa mga 90 na nanonood ngayon. May natutunan ba? Okay, hindi pa tayo tapos ha. Alright. So, comment exciting para at least meron pa tayong iba pang mga pwede pang ma-share. Comment exciting. Yung mga hindi excited, bahala kayo kung hindi kayo excited. Alright, comment exciting. Alright, doon sa mga nag-open ng cam, okay, patalastas lang to. Sa mga nag-open ng cam, ito yung mga marireceive nyo sa akin. To share is, bibigay ko kay yan yung access. So yan, lahat yan ng material na inipon namin ng team, nandyan lahat, processes, may 1 month access kayo. Doon lang sa mga nag-open ng camera, ha, yan. Okay, para ayan. So yung Canva, marketing, AI marketing, ChatGPT prompts, andyan lahat. Marketing and sales, andyan lahat yan. So mga prompts and engineering, andyan lahat. Hindi kami madamat niyan. Okay. So dun sa mga nag-open lang ng camera. So kung sira camera mo, sorry ka, paalam ka kay yan kung bibigyan kanya ng access. Alright. So ito yung na-generate natin today, sample generative na using Bing. Si DALL-E yung kanyang pinaka-main applications. What we're gonna do, okay, I'm sure na gusto nyong mag-create ng na magandang resume or magandang kumbaga ano nyo yung, i-highlight yung expertise nyo, no? So, ito yung prompt. Go to ChatGPT or Gemini. May bayad yun. Ayan, explore this. Ito yung sample prompt. Ako as a marketer, yan ang ilalagay ko. So, babaguhin nyo lang dyan yung profession, ilang years of experience, ano yung strong skill sets nyo. So, for example, for the prompt number 1, masyado bang mabilis? Or nakaka-follow naman? Nakaka-follow ba? Or, or ano pa, medyo tulala? Medyo tulala. Comment tulala kung medyo hindi pa ano. Nakaka-follow naman. Okay, nakaka-follow. Ilang years of experience. Okay. What else? Ano tong mga skill sets na to? Yan. Your skill sets. Ayan. So, ito yung sample prompt. For example, if you want to have a summary of your own resume. All right? Pag i-highlight naman yung resume nyo, kung ano yung inyo talagang profession at ano yung application, yun yung prompt number 2. Okay? Pag gagawa ka naman ng proposal, okay, proposal, letter, or pitch sa client, ito yun. Ito yung ating ilalagay. Nawawala na ako ng battery. O, comment gising kung gising pa. Malapit na tayo matapos. Comment gising kung ano pa kayo, okay pa kayo, all goods pa kayo. Gising pa ba kayo? Okay, gising pa, buti naman. Buhay na buhay. Nagising po ba kayo? Ayan, prompt number 1, 2, 3. If you want to explore writing a cover letter doon sa inyong inaay na prospect or inaay na client. Ayan. So, yan. So, ano yung, anong brand? Okay, so make sure that you do your due diligence. I-check nyo muna yung company. Baka mamaya ay yan ay scam pala. Alright, make sure that you check the company. Ano yung services na pwede mong ma-offer sa kanya? Ano yung buyer's persona? So, ito bang inaay mong client ay isang coach or isa siyang restaurant owner or isa siyang online seller? So, yan. So, you need to be very specific with your prompts. Iba? Iba atang naka-screen. Wait lang po. Ayan. Ito na. Ayan. So, ito yung cover letter if you gonna pitch your client or prospects. Ito yung sample. Okay. Kung mag-offer ka na ng proposal. Okay. So, kung mag-offer ka na ng proposal, ito yun naman yung prompt niya. Ay, hindi po. Alright. Okay. So, yan po yung opo, sorry, hindi po ano ang aking ano. Kasi this is a actually paid course eh. Sorry. Kaya ano na kayo, kung may record naman si yan. So, yun. Alright. So, ito yung mga drafts. Doon sa free access naman, ano na yun, very generous na yun kung ano yung pwede nyo ma-explore. Okay, for the GPTs ito, I would like to emphasize, for example, if you are sending a proposal sa isang e-com company, okay, may mga tones yan. So for example, if you are actually if you're actually writing a letter for a big corp, for example, kay Amazon, magsusulat ka. Okay. So anong tone? Formal ba yan? Narrative ba yan? Authoritative ba yan? Cheerful ba yan? So make sure that you have the right tone. Okay? And anong specific format? Email, sa email mo ba yan? Blog ba yan? Okay, research ba yan? Or LinkedIn post ba yan? So make sure that meron kasing specific na style. Okay, yung mga GPT. So make sure kung anong format or kung saan format yan. And then for basic prompting, ayan, meron naman sample dito. I can give this to you. Nandun yan dun sa access, sa free access. And then keep in mind that give a lot of information to your GPTs para makapag-generate siya na mas accurate na ibibigay na output sa inyo. All right? And put CTAs, all right? CTA, call to action. So yung call to action ba niyan, buy now, call to action ba niyan, message me, or call to action ba niyan, meron pupunta sa website mo. So yeah, make sure that you have your CTAs or call to actions. And ito, i-share ko na rin to dun sa nandun na rin to dun sa free access. Yeah, so about job interview, job application, may mga prompting din yan on how you gonna explore doing it. Okay. And then lastly, ito na yon yung gusto kong i-emphasize. Always remember that you are the power behind AI. It's not the other way around. Okay? So you are very fortunate na naka-attend kayo today because at least aware na kayo kung ano yung, how powerful yung AI and what will be the future of work. All right? Hindi dapat matakot. Explore yung mga AIs natin. And AI is a tool in service of humanity. In the service of humanity. In the service of you, not the other way around. So make sure that, you know, tawag dito, alipinin nyo na. Huwag naman alipinin. Gamitin nyo yung AI. So, andyan na nga, pinadali na nga yung buhay natin, hindi nyo pagagamitin. And I should say, okay, Ellen, andyan ka pa ba? Okay, yung mga, mga Gen X, Ellen, sino pa yung isang, ko dito? Adele, this is the best era for you. Why? Why? Ask me why. Ask me why, Adele. Why is the best era for you? Alam mo ba kung bakit this is the best era for you? You don't have any idea? This is the best era for us. Not only for Gen X, but definitely for Gen X. Kasi karamihan ng Gen X, ito yung nag-develop nito. This is the best era for Gen X. Why? We already have that knowledge and ethics. Yung mga bagito, they need to work on the ethics side. But as a mature people like us, we already know that. You know? And it's easy for us because we already have this knowledge. We already have this, you know, experiences. AI can use, you can use AI to express that. If you are really good, kumbaga yung writing skills mo, nahihirapan kang mailabas yan because your judgment to yourself, I'm not good enough. Ito na yun. This application will build your confidence na, okay, ganito lang pala kadali yung gawin. Basta may sistema ka lang. Alright? Basta may system ka lang and hindi ka natatakot mag-explore. Okay? So yun ang katapusan ng ating mga pag-uusap today, and thank you so much for, you know, for this time inviting me sa inyong webinar na to. I'm very happy and very fortunate to share yung aking nalalaman about AI. And Yan, pwede ba ako magpatalastas ng isang
Oo naman
isang
po, go
event po?
ahead. Madami po kahit po mga ilang commercials. Go
Oh,
po.
sorry. Alright, ito, I'll be having very limited lang kasi very intimate lang tong summit na to. 60 to 80 seats lang to kasi gusto namin talagang yung experience na mga a-attend ay very intimate, ano namin, kumbaga matututukan ng mga mga team members namin. So we will have our 5th annual summit, Evolve. We call it Evolve Summit. So 4 lang yung speakers na yan, pero talagang lahat yan, dun sa mga experiences and processes naman, yun ang i-share namin dun sa summit na to. So I will be the first speaker. So I will be talking about balancing technology and ethics, integrating AI as a profession sa education kasi tayo, we keep on learning. Okay? As a freelancer, importante yan na-explore natin yung importansya ng AI. So iyon ang i-share ko, balancing technology and ethics. And then, yung aking isa sa head teacher ko, the future of ready educator. So, kumbaga lahat tayo sa educator. Si Yan is an educator kasi she's teaching you, di ba? So, embracing the changes, itong very diverse na profession natin. So, kailangan ano rin tayo, very equipped. Kung ano yung mga kailangan nating mapag-aralan pa, ano pa yung dapat nating ma-improve, paano natin ma-diversify yung mga skills natin. So, Imelda will talk about how to diversify yung mga skill sets natin. And then si Stephanie will be talking about preparing learners, you as a learner or yung mga future, yung mga young learners as well. Kung paano ma-align yung educations ngayon sa future ng work. Okay? Kasi sa pagdating ng AI, maraming work ang magiging irrelevant na. So I will emphasize this. If you are not reinventing yourself or hindi mo na-diversify yung skill sets mo, you might not be able to if you're aiming to become a freelancer, it will be very hard. Okay? Kasi we keep on evolving. Ikaw ba yan? Ikaw pa rin ba yan? Yung last year na yan? Ano?
Hindi na po. I admit naman, sinasabi ko po, alam niyo po ba, pag accountant kasi po, ako po dati ng limiting beliefs ko, hindi ako marunong magsulat. And even sa emails, I have a limiting belief on writing grammar. Talaga, hindi kami magaling sa grammar.
Yeah.
Tama ba mga accountant? So, pag communication then writing, hindi. Kamote talaga ako. But, nung dumating sa AI, alam niyo ba yung nakikita niyo sa LinkedIn? I'll post it in Taglish and then kinakausap ko sa AI, can you convert this story kaya kilala na ako ni AM magkwento. Pansin, last yung post ko kanina lang, English yun. So, si AI din tumulong sa akin. So, you have to really maximize AI na magbe-benefit sa'yo. Kasi LinkedIn is international, so dapat English yun doon. Nasasabay
Yeah,
tayo sa
true.
IRA. Meron din Leonardo AI, pwede kang gumawa ng graphics. And then slide, meron akong
Yes.
ginawang PowerPoint slide galing sa AI. So, di ba, piniresent ko dun sa isang client. Yung nakuha ko client na kinukwento ko sa e-commerce. Sabi ko, pero sinabi ko sa client, this is generated by AI, pero sinamahan ko ng my own understanding. Pero I'll be honest, some of this information is coming from the AI. Pero, at least yun, correct yun. Validated yun.
Yes.
Yun po yung benefits nun. Thank you,
Yeah.
ma'am.
True. Yeah. So yun, I hope you can join this event. So i-ano ko dito yung link.
Link, ma'am. And then, nire-repost ko na po sa community. Guys, if ever you're nearby, responded for O2, uy, dapat
That's
minsan.
right.
Oy, sino na malapit sa Cavite? Hindi lang ako natuloy last time sa event, pero silang Cavite. Ma'am Adelo, lapit natin, taga ano lang si Ma'am eh. Pedro, dalaanan natin, tayo ng Calax lang oh.
That's right.
Ayan, so
So
sino
if
gusto
you are
makita
Kita lang tayo sa
tayo?
Calax, no?
Oo, Calax, kita na tayo sa Calax.
Okay, so yan yung event natin sa November. Kung magpapakasal naman kayo, meron akong expo this Sunday. Medyo marami ang kaganapan. So I have a wedding expo this Sunday naman. So marami ring attend. Yes, nawala na yung screen. Tinanggal ko na po yung screen po. So we're good. Yeah,
Picture tayo, yan. Then, ay plug natin yung Ledon. So, pag may mga event kayo, kindly refer, like niyo yung page. And then, maraming businesses si Mami. Tapos, and then, nagtuturo siya. Again, yung ginagawa namin is patungo dun sa preparation sa mga anak namin. It's
Yeah.
connected lahat yung ginagawa namin papunta sa kanila. And if you're one of our awesome parents, hopefully, we can get in touch and makita-kita tayo soon. Okay, ayan na yung event.
Yeah.
O,
So
ayan.
yan, if you have any questions, siguro before we end, mag-ask lang ako ng dalawa siguro, yung key points or the 3 things that you've learned from this session. Sam Cortez, can you share your thoughts about our webinar today?
Yan, may recitation, kala nyo.
Recitation tayo, yeah. Para at least alam ko naintindihan nila yung mga pinagsasabi ko, di ba?
Good evening.
Hello.
Actually, ano ko, technologically challenged. So actually, I was thinking, I was supposed to submit a proposal for a client for already almost 2 weeks. Hindi ako makapag-start until you mentioned how to do it. Actually, nagawa na ako ngayon. So
Wow.
talagang tuwa ako kasi parang, ay, ganun lang pala kadali. I never expect na ganun pala ka-useful yung AI. I've been hearing it for quite some time, pero I never try it. But because you forced us to do it.
Yeah, pagka yung estudyante ko, talagang iiyak kayo sa akin dahil ano talaga. Si Yan, medyo mabait pa yan na coach. Pero pagka kayo pumasok sa bootcamp ko, ay talagang iiyak.
Yeah,
Medyo
thank
talagang
you so much.
lahat, ibibigay nyo ang lahat-lahat. Okay, so yun. Randolph, anong natutunan mo today?
Sa akin naman po, ano po kasi ako, medyo prompt engineer na rin po ako sa AI.
That's
So,
good.
technically po, marunong na rin po ako. So, natutunan ko siguro po yung kung paano ko ma-maximize yung knowledge ko. Tapos, i-check ko po yung mga resources na SN po ninyo. Tapos, yun lang po. Maximize my learning about it.
Okay, thank you. Ellen, andiyan ka pa ba? Favorite ko si Ellen.
Ito pa.
Hi Ellen, ano na-explore?
Hello. Actually, gumagamit na ako ng ChatGPT pero ginagamit ko lang sa paggawa ng resume, yung cover letter, ganun. So, para dito, nakakatuwa yung makakagawa tayo ng mga images. So, baka later on, siguro, gusto ko rin mag-write ng ebook through AI.
Yeah,
Ah,
definitely magandang ano yan. Magandang
Oo.
ano yan.
So, yun.
Okay. So thank you so much for that. Adele, ikaw, may gusto kong sabihin before i-turn over ko na kay Yan. Sorry
Ay.
kaya yung nasa harap ko eh.
Thank you,
Ano
thank you.
ng
Ang daming
klase?
natutunan, ang daming bago. And sabi ko nga, first time na makagawa ako ng image na AI yung ginawa ko. And yun nga, I am also a teacher at accounting yung tinuturo ko at napakahirap daw, sabi ng mga estudyante. So I am thinking now of writing an ebook na baka pwede kong gawin na lighter ang pag-discuss ng accounting.
Okay,
Okay.
naglalakad na calculator, tapos may pamalong
Good luck,
calculator.
Adele.
Yun.
All right. So yon, thank you Yan for inviting me. Thank you
Yes,
so
ako,
much for your
napaka-pleasure.
community yeah. I hope you can also join my community. Tama si Yan. Meron kaming 100, 2,000 members doon sa loob ng community. Super moderated lang yon guys. Kumbaga, gusto namin friendship lang. Pero minsan hindi mo maiwasan na meron din mga pasaway, no? Pero na hindi nag-aaway din minsan sila sa chat. But namo-moderate naman. Okay, so if you're on to looking for yun nga yung Australian clients or mga iba pang mga application that you can actually explore using AI. Especially malapit ng event namin, we have a series of webinars as well. And I hope that you can also join that series of webinars para mas ma-enhance pa yung inyong understanding about AI. Marami namang talaga freebies when it comes to yung ginagawa namin kasi as much as possible, ito nga I really applaud Yan for doing this for her community para at least, uh, may dagdag na kaalaman for you. It's our obligation. Parang ano rin naman, it's a mission for us. Ayaw rin naman natin i-ano to na parang solohin. Kasi freelancing has been good to us. Okay, it's a blessing to us. And we want to share that blessings to you. And sana kumbaga kung ano yung naging narating namin niyan, sana marating niyo rin. And we're excited na maging successful din kayong freelancers and providers sa mga clients natin. Alright?
Naku, malayo pa ako sa isang guhit, malayo pa ako sa tinahak niyo. Yan. Malayo pa pero malayo na. Pero yan
Malapit
sila ma'am
ka.
yung tinitingala, yun yung mga fina-follow, di ba sabi nga na, if you want to be successful, follow mo yung mas nauna. And then ikaw pag ka, tingnan mo yung nasa likod. So kayo as our mentees, kung sabihin na natin nasa likod namin kayo, but next step na kayo, we have to, populate, dumami tayo like gremlins. Ganun lang naman. Pay it forward. And again, kaya sabi ko naman, di ba, napaka-bias ko kung sasabihin ko, isa si Miss Jenny, bukod sa common denominator namin, nung nalaman ko yung path niya talaga, parang same eh. Tapos, basta businesses-wise, isang sa pangarap ko yung coffee shop, para doon magtrabaho yung anak ko. Madami kaming mga plans na parehas, and then, pareho ng puso, ang dali magkaintindihan. And sana kayo din, if you have free webinar, again, puno na po ang October natin. And connect with Ma'am Jenny. By the way, I nominate Miss Jenny for the top 100 Filipinos.
Sana iboto niya rin ako doon sa ano.
Ayan.
First time eh,
So,
no?
Oo, first timer ni Ma'am. Sabi ko,
Yan,
Ma'am, this year.
ipagpe-pray ko tong ano mo ha, para baka malay mo may mga ano na to, mga client na bukas, di ba?
Yes,
Di
sige,
ba pinagpe-pray
pwede,
ko
Ma'am.
to,
Pwede
ano
kayong
nagkakakliyente agad-agad eh, di ba?
So
Kasi
before we
kumbaga,
end our,
yeah,
Ma'am,
before we
mag-pray
end our
tayo.
pray.
Sige, pray po muna tayo, then let's have a picture.
Alrighty. Heavenly Father, thank you so much for today that you have given us to have this workshop about generative AI. May you continue bless Yan Yan. She's a very good coach, very very determined to pursue her career, a good influence to Filipinos that wanting to have this exploring the career in freelancing industry. May you bless her students as well. I know in their hearts that, there are things that kailangan pang matutunan sa journey na to, but I hope that you will be able to guide them sa journey ng freelancing. Give them a good client, excellent client, yung talagang siksik-liglig kung magbayad, or kumbaga the best client for these students, Lord God. May you continue to bless them, Lord, and I hope if you bless them, I hope that they will be able to share this to other people as well. As part of, you are a very generous God, and we are practicing your generosity by sharing our talents to other people. May they will be able to, harness the skills of being an obedient freelancer, Lord God, that they can share their talents to their clients, but they can share their talents to other people as well. May they be a blessing to other people as well, especially to their families, that they can provide everything that they need. You are the great provider. And I know as we speak, lahat po ng dinadasal nila, you know their hearts. And I know na in the right time, we will be able to answer their prayers. You will bless them more because I know that they will bless other people. Please bless Yan Yan with more clients. Marami siyang natutulungan. I hope that you will also bless more students for her. With this mission that we have, we want to share this. Kumbaga, kami wala na kami itinitira. We give our all. And by giving our all, I know that we are glorifying with our work. And we are actually being blessed having this kind of skills that we have. And thank you so much, Lord God, for this blessing. And we ask this in Jesus' name. Amen and amen. All right, God bless everyone. Thank you so much.
Ayan, picture taking na tayo, guys. Ayan, so ayan, bless na bless tayo. Again, pa-type naman ng 1 if you're happy and blessed tonight. Yung iba natitiri eye, nakita ko, pinipilan. Hi, Jill. Oo, natitiri eye.
May client yan bukas sa bukas.
Si Josie umiiyak na, si Josie Suwan, naiiyak na yan. Pero isa lang yung bumaba nakita ko yun. Okay, picture na tayo, guys. Again, sabi ko naman, napaka-bias ko kung bakit si Miss Jenny isa sa 2024. Siguro pag ni-recap ko yung buong 2024, magbo-voting tayo. Sino yung naalala niyong nag-stick sa mind nyo? Mga gano'n, no? Tingin nyo sa year-end. Baka may top, ano tayo, dance list ng 2024. Pagagang ko kayo dyan ng lahat ng speaker. Tapos, ano kayo? Baka naman natutulog lang kayo sa class, ha? Okay, picture na tayo, guys. Admin, anyone who can picture?
Ayun lang po, smile.
Ready na kami.
Smile!
And for those who's watching, smile na kayo dyan.
Yeah, smile dun sa mga... Sana ba, naka-live ba to yan?
Sa freelancer yan po, opo. And meron dito sa,
Good.
sa community din, ma'am. And then again, follow yung community ni Miss Ma'am Jenny, Filipino freelancer with Australian client,
Yeah.
FFAC.
And also, remote classroom kasi doon na
Ayan, oo,
monitor
mga
din
teachers.
yung mga team members natin kung ano yun na yung mga updates sa event. So you can also follow remote classroom para updated din kayo sa mga webinars na ipapalabas namin sa October. Alright, sa October kasi andun lahat ng ano natin.
Ayan.
Okay, so
Alam
yun.
mo ba si Ma'am Jen, napakasipag yan sa morning, good morning din yan. Tapos umaga pala namimigay na ng ayuda yan sa chat. Kung nandun kayo sa community chat, ganyan kami yan. Ayuda kung ayuda. Alright, thank you so much. And then see you again next week. Again, abangan nyo yung free webinar natin. Puno na pong October. Watch out kung sino-sino sila. Parang
Okay.
puro babae. Okay, thank you Ma'am Jen. And again,
Ma'am
God
Jen,
bless and
And
see you
have a
on
great
event.
day. Bye for now.
Thank you guys for coming. Come again. Jollibee lang. Bye. Jollibee lang. Thanks, Ma'am Jen. Admin and coaches, thank you. Dean and si Coach Ira nandito. Si Admin Pat, si Jen wala. Of course, mga internet elite. Hello. Bye.